Making PayPal money every day is one of the best things that can happen to anybody. That's why you need an experienced tutor in the online money-making game to teach you the step-by-step method of making money online. The good news about my PayPal method is that you don't need any technical skill or any previous experience to get started. To get the best of results, you need to watch this video all the way to the end to avoid confusions and mistakes. Before I proceed, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, the #1 YouTube channel that teaches you how to make money online the easiest way. Want to be the first to try my newest methods? Click on the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. To start, visit google.com and type in pretty flowers in the search bar. After you're done with that, head on to the images section and it will show you this whole page containing photos of pretty flowers. Then scroll down the page and search for a perfect image. Now let's visit the website where you can make money from the pretty flowers. And this website is called teespring.com. Teespring offers a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. This website has 3 benefits, which are: number 1, no cost, no hassle, no risk. Now I want you to browse through the page and scroll a little bit down so that you will find these amazing items right here, such as shirts, hoodies, pants, leggings, phone cases, accessories, and many more. To make money from Teespring, simply put it in an apparel as a design and then submit it to Teespring. Teespring will then do the job for you as they put the design on their platform, making it visible for customers to buy. To make it official, let's head on to this page and see how it works. Step 1. Just design and create a custom store instantly. Step 2. Simply link your social accounts, promote your launch, and share your products with your community. And finally, step 3. This is where you get the profit you deserve while they handle the production, shipping, and customer support for you. As you can see, it's easy as ABC. In just a moment, I'll show you how you can sign up for an account for absolutely free. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this video. If you do, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Without wasting time, permit me to show you how you can sign up. I want you to go back to the home page and then you will see this pinkish red button here on the upper right corner of the page that says Start Designing. Just click on the button and you will be redirected to this page where you can start registration. After signing up, you will be redirected to this page where you'll get to have access to this huge assortment of categories that you can freely choose as to what apparel you're going to print your design on. Also, you'll be seeing Teespring's recommendations on what categories are in for the trends right now. With these recommendations, I strongly advise you to just go with them in order to save more time and more effort. You will no longer go through each category one by one just to locate what you want, since they already have it done for you. Among the trendy apparel, Teespring recommends long-sleeve tees as a lot of consumers have been purchasing these. So with that said, let's try designing a classic long-sleeve tee, shall we? And now we head on to the creative process. Begin by uploading the design we picked out earlier. Then the next step is to click this button right here which says Add Image in order to add the image of the pretty flowers that we picked earlier on the platform. Once you've done that, you're going to see the flowers embedded on the classic long sleeve tee right here to give you the whole idea of what the design looks like. Now that your design is on the apparel, you can now manipulate it according to what you want or what you envision. You can choose to move the image sideways, upwards, downwards, and whatnot, but I recommend that you put it on the center. You also have the liberty to resize the images so that it will better fit the vibe you're going for. You can choose to come up with a minimalist design or a booming and loud one. It's your choice. Once you've done all the design customizations, proceed with modifying the apparel by choosing what color is best according to your own liking. Afterwards, you can now go name your price. Setting up a price will not take you any work, as Teespring already comes up with a recommended price that's relatively great already. They automatically price the classic long sleeve tee at $28.99, and your commission is actually more than 50% of the price. For a $28.99 tee, you're going to earn a huge amount of $15.17, which is insane! Now here is the bonus tip that I promised you earlier. I want you to visit Facebook and search for groups about flower enthusiasts. Facebook will then show you many groups related to your keywords. Once you join these groups, all you need to do is upload the design of that classic long sleeve tee and attach the link of your product. With this powerful tip that I just shared with you, customers will keep coming to purchase and you'll be able to earn over and over again. Do you want to earn money simply by listening to music? Click here! Now that you've watched this video till the end, it's time to start implementing what you've learned. Are you ready to be financially free?